Good morning everyone. In this session we are going to discuss with the third unit, adjectives. In the previous class already you have studied the definition and the kinds of adjectives. Already you have seen the example, everything. And so let me ask, what is adjectives? Adjectives, we can say that it modifies or it describes a noun. Okay, in short we can say it describes or modifies a noun. And also we have seen the adjectives typically serve as a modifier of a noun to denote a quality of the thing named. Already you have seen the examples. What are the examples? A green car, a beautiful house, an interesting story. So these are the examples I have given. And also next I gave. And also after you have seen the kinds of adjectives. So which are the kinds of adjectives? We can say qualitative, quantitative, possessive, interrogative, demonstrative, and proper. So which are the, can you say about qualitative? Qualitative means to describe the characteristics of noun. We can say that describe shape, size, color, state, manner. Okay, already you have seen the example. Then after that you have seen quantity. By the word itself we can understand quantity means how much and how many. We can say that to specify the amount or number of nouns, that is quantity. Possessive means what? Just like what you have studied in the pronoun. Possessive means just like what is that? Ownership or any possession. Okay, to show relationship or ownership of the nouns. Okay, that is what. Then after that you are saying demonstrative. Demonstrative means what? Just like a point out something. Just like a to point out a specific noun. That is demonstration. Already you are saying just like a point out these mangoes, those things. Okay, these are the examples. Interrogative. Interrogative means what? That is the next kind of adjectives. Interrogative means to ask questions. Okay. Whom, which, pen is yours. Okay, like this the questions. Then proper, already said, just like a, especially the names of places, just like a formed from the proper noun, just like a, what you can, French citizen, okay, American citizen. So these are the proper nouns. Okay, anything up to there, it is clear for you. Okay. So come to the exercise first one, and no, and after that we have seen one more, just like attributive adjective and predicative adjective. Okay, after that we are going to the first exercise. Okay, already some are remaining now as a homework. Okay, you will complete. Okay, after this one. So attributive adjective means what? Adjectives can be used either before. Okay, if adjective comes before, that is known as attributive adjective, and also adjective comes after the noun, it is known as predicative adjective. Okay, so this you have to study carefully. Okay, before means already examples, everything is there. You just see. Okay, go through this. Okay, hope you have completed. Okay, so come to the exercise A. Okay, underline the adjectives. Already some of things I think up to 5 I have completed, and also rest of things I have given as a homework. Okay, hope you have completed. Okay, now do one thing, you check with your answer. Okay, okay, first one. Ralph, I think first welcome to the sixth one. The air in the hills. Okay, the air in the hills is, so pure is the answer. Okay, pure is the adjective. So than in the city. Okay, so pure, that's the quality. Okay, quality of the adjective. Okay, so pure is the underline pure. Then come to the seventh one. Your notebooks are kept on that shelf. Okay, so your you can add. That's a possession. That is the adjective. Okay, so your you can add notebooks are kept on that shelf. Okay, that also you can add. Okay, that's a demonstration. Okay, point out something. So that also you can add. Okay, as adjective. Okay, so that is demonstrative. Okay, demonstration. Okay, so your and that. Okay, that's the answer. So eighth one. He is as hard working. So hard working is the adjective. Hard working. That's the quality. Okay. So ninth one. David is a dependable person. That's a quality. Okay, quality. So dependable is the adjective. So underline. So next one. Okay, is it correct or not? You just check the answer. Okay. So 10th one. Whose books are you reading? Okay, whose books are you reading? So whose is, that is interrogative. Okay, you just connect with the kinds of adjective, then it will be very easy. That's why I am just saying the answer. Okay, actually the question is underline the adjectives only in the sentence given below. No need to mention any kinds. Okay, it is for understanding. Okay, this I am mentioning everything for understanding. Okay, so whose books, that is interrogative. So by words itself we can understand. So whose is the adjective. Okay, so these mangoes are very sweet. These mangoes means what? Mangoes means what? These mangoes are very sweet. Okay, so these you can understand, that is point outing, that is demonstration. And one more is the very sweet. Sweet also you can add. Okay, sweet means just like a modifies, that is a modifier. Okay, modifies the mango. So sweet also you can add. Okay, sweet. Then next one, 12th one. Miss Patel is our new teacher. So our also you can add, okay. Our means that is the adjective quality, okay. Our is the quality, okay. And also next one more, no, our is the possessive adjective, okay. Possessive adjective, and also new is the adjective quality, okay. Also new is the quality that you can add. So in 12th you can add our and new, okay. Our also you can add, okay. That's a possession, okay. Possessive adjective. So next one, 13. There was some. So some means what? That is a, some means that is a quantity, okay. Quantity, okay. So some, that's adjective, okay. There was some confusion regarding the show timing, okay. So next one, 14. The Japanese tea ceremony is a ritual. So Japanese, that's the proper. Already I say no, formed from the proper noun, just like a French citizen. So it is Japanese is proper, okay. Japanese tea ceremony is ritual of preparing and serving green tea. So green is the qualitative, okay. Green, that's the color. See the first one, quality means describe shape, size, color. So color. So that is qualitative, okay. So green is the adjective, okay. Green and Japanese. Next one, 15. Gaurav won a gold medal at the tournament. So gold is the adjective. So that's the quality, okay. Gold, okay. And also that's the quality also you can add, okay, because color is there, and also quality, okay, that you can add. Shape, everything is there. Golden color, yellow, gold, something you can add, okay. So that is adjective. Enough. So I think you have studied the column. I hope you study thoroughly, then only you can complete. Already I said in the previous class, so you have to study the columns, okay, then only you can complete the next. So come to the exercise B, okay. Identify the adjectives in the following sentences and state their kind. That's why here you have to write the kind too, okay. Kind also you have to write, okay. So I will complete 4. I will complete rest of things. That is a homework for you, okay. So come to the exercise B. This town has withstood many fierce battles. Fierce means what? Just like a very aggressive or very intensive, okay. Fierce battle, okay. Okay, with very deep. So this town has withstood many fierce battles. So you just underline fierce is the adjective. So which kind is this? Okay, you can say this is a fierce is quality, okay. So this is the fierce is quality. Just write. First you have to, when you are writing, you have to write fierce, then this is kind means this is quality. Okay, enough. Then come to the second one. The writer. I write every day in my little blue diary. Okay, I write every day in my little blue diary. So can you underline the adjective? You can underline. Is it to write every day or in my little blue? So you can underline blue, okay. Blue, you just, that is adjective. So which kind of this one? Which kind? So you can say blue is a color, so that is a qualitative, okay. So blue is qualitative, okay. So next one, third one. I am sorry, I have no money to lend you. I have no money, no money. So what is that? Is it quality, quantity, then possession, demonstration, interrogative or proper? Which one? There is no doubt, that is a quantity. No money, no money. You don't have money, that's it. So no is the adjective, okay. So no, you just underline no, that is a quantity, okay. Quantity, okay. Next one, fourth one. Which band member do you like more? Okay, which? So that's the question. That's the question is there. So what is that? That is interrogative, okay. Ask questions. So which is the adjective? You cannot. That's the interrogative, okay. Interrogative adjective, okay. So rest of things, that's the homework for you just to do, okay. That's very easy. And also name means what? Name means it's like a wisdom or knowledgeable, okay. Knowledge man, okay. So just like those who are wisdom, wise man. Now that's the name. Name, okay. Name is wisdom, okay. So you just write rest of things. And also up to this, you don't have any doubt. First you have to study the columns, okay. That's like a kinds of adjectives. Then it will be very clear, okay. So come to the next one. Participles as adjectives, okay. Participles as adjectives, okay. The present and past participles of verb are commonly used as adjectives. See, present participle. Present means always verb plus ing, just like interest plus ing, interesting. Go plus going, okay. So ing, that is present participle, verb plus ing. And also next one, what is that? Past participle, verb plus ed, okay, ed form of t and ed and en, okay, just like a gone. See, was broken, okay, broke, okay, break, broken, okay, therefore, okay. So see the examples. I watched, that is the present participle, okay. I watched an interesting story, article, okay. So they are using article. An interesting film last night, that is the present participle, okay. Verb plus ing. Next one, there was broken glass all over the floor, okay. Broken glass. So that is the past participle, okay. What is that? Just see in the next page. Okay. So see the column, page number 20. The present participle of a verb used as an adjective can often show an existing state or an action that is going on. So that is the meaning of the present participle, okay. The action that is going on. See the example. The rising temperature, the action is going on. The rising temperature, it is going on, okay. That's it. Temperature is making life difficult for every day. Rising temperature, okay, just like a sunny. So rising temperature, just it is going on. That's what the action that is going on. That is present participle, okay. I should not make any change. Okay, next one. The firefighters saved everyone from the burning buildings. Okay, burning, it the action is going on. Okay, that's what the action that is going on. That is present participle. Okay, so these are the examples. Okay, burning buildings, ing form, burn plus ing, burning. Okay, so rising. Okay, that's it. So come to the next one. The past participle of a verb used as an adjective can often show an action that is complete. So past means that is sure that the action is already completed, okay. It's done, complete. I worked, okay, worked, ed form or en form, okay. See the examples. The excited children, okay, or the children, they became excited, okay. So the excited children were quite happy with the decision already. The excited children were quite happy with the decision already. The action is completed, okay. That's only they are happy, they are quite happy, okay. So the excited children were quite happy with the decision. Excited, excited, okay. ed form, past participle, okay. So the action is already completed, okay. See the next one. The police claim that they have recovered, the stolen goods already. They have collected, okay, already. They recovered, okay, already they collected, okay. So that's what it is. The action is completed, okay. So what is present participle? The action that is going on, present participle, continuing. Just like a rising temperature, okay. So what is the next one? Past participle is the action is that is completed, okay. See, just like the police claim that they have recovered the stolen goods already. They received, okay, or recovered, okay. That's the difference between present participle and present past participle, okay. So with this we can complete the next exercise, okay. Already you have the idea about these two, okay, present and past, okay. So complete the filling the blanks with the suitable participles of verbs given in the brackets, okay. So come to the first one. I have just received a very puzzle. I have, so that is a present one, okay. I have just received a very, so what is that? Dash bit of news. You can add very puzzling, ing you can add, okay. Puzzling bit of news, okay. So next one, second one. We withdrew the offer because nobody was. So what is the answer? Nobody was interested, okay. Interested, was interested. In the previous already you see, no, just like there was broken, okay. So same thing when we are using participle, you have to add ed form, okay. That's only you have to study the column also, okay. With the past participle, verb plus ed, t and en, okay. These things you have to study, okay. So the second answer is interested, interested, okay. So come to the third one. She has, okay. She has very, engage is engaging because she has, okay, not was. So she engaging way of talking, okay. She has a very engaging way of talking. That's it. So come to the fourth one. The last, okay. Burn, okay. The dash burn remains of the paper held all the clues, okay. So here we can add both the two, you can add, okay. Burn become burnt, we can add bunt, okay. Burnt you can add, and also burned also we can use, okay. Burned, okay, like this, okay. Burned, like this we can use, okay. So So come to the fifth one. She has joined a group of. She has joined a group of. What is that? Performance. Okay, performing artists. Okay, so she has joined a group of performing. Ing. Okay, performing artists. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay, so rest of things 6 to 10. That's a homework for you. We just do it. I think these things are very clear for you. So you study all the columns of what is in the column of them. First you have to study the kinds of column and also definition of adjectives and also the present participle and past participles. Okay, so you study nicely. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, you just contact them. Okay, so just complete all the exercises. Okay, so with this I am going to wind up this session. So thank you.